is a simple way to use Clientfolio to track your prospects and use the system as your CRM, so you can easily transition them to clients when they sign up for your program. Log in as you normally would. Then click on Manage Clients. Click the blue plus button to create a new client. Enter the required fields, including phone number, email address, first and last names, then save. Next, click the Session button. Now select the client you just entered. One strategy would be to use your archived list as your prospect list. Then as they convert to a client, unarchive them and you can begin your work together. When you start the call with your prospect, take notes about your discussion. Make them complete and detailed, this will come in handy later. If you offer to send them something like a link to a video or a PDF download, you can place those in the assignment field. Before you end the session, you can set a date to check back in with your prospect by placing an appointment on your own Google Calendar. You can do that by clicking the button labeled Schedule Your Next Meeting. If you set up your Google login from Clientfolio, it will show up only on your calendar, not your prospect's calendar. After your conversation with your prospect, be sure you do not check any of the boxes to send client portal access or include notes, stats, or accountability questions. Just click Save and close session. If you did want to send a note with or without attachments, you can place those in the homework notepad and then click Send Homework, save and close the session. Next time you have a conversation with that prospect, repeat the process. As before, all your past conversations will be listed under Past Sessions. Another technique for keeping all your notes from multiple calls in one spot would be to save and close the first session, then reopen that session using the control shown at the bottom of your past session. Now you can add more text to that notepad and save it again. This way all notes will be in one session on one screen. You may want to add a date to each note if you choose this technique. When you are ready to convert a prospect to a client, and if you used the archive and unarchive list to separate clients and prospects, then moving your prospect to a client is easy. Select Manage Clients. When the screen opens, click Show Archived List and pick the prospect you want to convert to a client. Click on the three dots on the right side of the screen for that prospect, then click Unarchive. When you do, that prospect will now be on your client list. Now your previous prospect is now in your active client list. Proceed as usual to start and run your session. Congratulations! You've now discovered a more seamless way to build and run your business. Using Clientfolio to manage both prospects and clients makes you more efficient and more profitable. As always, if you like this video, please send a quick note to support@clientfol.io and let us know, it's always appreciated.